Hi, this is Nell from the Ivy Tech Community College Libraries. In this video, I will be showing what an argumentative paper is. An argumentative research paper, sometimes called a persuasive paper, is dependent on you taking a firm stance on a topic and using factual evidence and academic sources to back up your opinion. For instance, say you were arguing for prison reform in the United States. You will need to find credible sources that provide statistics and other proof that prison reform policies work in specific states or countries, and show how that could transfer to the entire United States. To find resources for argumentative papers, first go to the library homepage. Scroll down to A to Z resources below the Discover search bar and click. A new tab with all of Valparaiso library databases will open. Next to the A to Z Resources tab, click the tab labeled Right. Scroll to and click the Argumentative Research tab. This will display bases devoted to argumentative research. See key researchers, opposing viewpoints, and points of view. There is also a handy argumentative research guide that you can find by going to the library homepage and scrolling down and clicking on the Library Guides tab. A new tab will open with a full list of guides. At the top, under the General Research Guides section, you'll find a PDF labeled Finding Argumentative Research. The research guide shows how to use and navigate research databases in the A to Z resources list. This PDF guide can be downloaded and saved for use anytime you have a persuasive assignment. That was an overview of argumentative papers and how to find resources for them. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.